So we had a blower not working intermittently, but it started working after we opened the door. But what we found, look at this line right here. Now let's see if I could get the camera down in there. Come on. God dang it. See that nice kink? You see that kink right there? This is bent over and kinked right there. Nice restrictive flow. So those were put in. This blower motor was replaced before for vibration. Then I came over to this one. This is what it's supposed to look like. If you could see right there, that's how it's not supposed to be kinked. It's supposed to be like that. Right there, nice 90 degree. That's what it's supposed to look like. Then coming over to this one, that's a nice one. That looks nice. That's what it's supposed to look like. And then coming over this one, pushed over and kinked. And there's another kinked one right there. That one's not so bad, but that's kinked. So that's 50% kink. They got a 50% failure rate on their kinking of the lines.
I think it's very cute.